John Deere mid-frame 6M 6Rs, so 6140, 6150. This is about the style and size and shape of your pivot pins. So we've developed the conversion to the large frame, which goes to a solid pin, where here just has the little pins on the front support. So to do that, we supply the front support and the pin and the hardware to change that out. And if we do it the way we should and attach it to the front axle, you'll just roll your front axle out, put your tires and wheels on the axle, and you'll be able to roll it right back in. So you don't have to pull your cooling package, you don't have to pull the engine, anything like that. You pull some sheet metal pieces off just so you don't damage them. And you get a pretty significant upgrade, not only here at the pin area, you get larger kingpin bearings, and your pinion shaft bearing and housing area is significantly larger also. So it's a pretty substantial upgrade. So if you're running a mid-frame 6M, 6R, even back into the 7330, 7420 style, we can make that conversion and kind of eliminate any of those issues that you had by changing the front support out and giving you the bigger axle or the large frame axle. So you can check our website for the part number on your axle. Typically that part number is going to be right in here. Sometimes they're rubbed off, but it's a good start. If not, give us a call with your serial number.